Nga bondu song ba kising song mare song tini song naleunai sini 1 tarik March sini one time relaxation ni je TED ni advertisement nongkhorun yo rekhatini ikunai di sini tamo bob din simi online application cholinai tai bufuro ni busu jora cholinai tai sini qualification busuk busuk nangnai obo nainai di rekha ikunai di Romdi submission of online application TET 2019 paper 1 paper 2 nanya di 30 April ni simi 4 PM ni simi solinai last date hingke 20 June jora 4 jora solinai payment khanyani last hingke 5 July jora payment khalai mano amtuita ingka nanya di sing asak bidut log riatini nanya di sing sini language nanya di Kokborok as alternative of Bengali second language in TET paper 1 paper 2 has been introduced from TET session syllabus of Kokborok and Propextax come instruction of TET paper 1 paper 2 will be uploaded on the official website TRBT. Nanti alternative language Kokborok boy tongnai sini Bengali ingka second language nanya di qualification kamu nangnai ang abus khasina direct candidate having minimum academic and professional qualification as specified in the NCTE notification that 23rd August 2010 ni अनुसारे TET paper 1 paper 2 ni je qualification nanya di candidate having senior secondary wo at least 50% mark tongna nangnai jodi nung 12 pass ni simir nai hangke sudu TET paper 1 ni bagai jara 12 pass simi hangke borong ke 50% mark nangnai jodi nung government onusare go 5% relation manai ST SC OBC hangke ba physical handicap hangke ar jodi nung graduation khajak hangke nung rimanai TET paper 1 paper 2 ni bagai nung rimanai ikobo read khaw jagabo hingai sing apply khaidi jotono norok on notification norok TRB Google thangai TRBT hinai type khlai nai phaiganke tola notification tonga notification thangai nai norok download khlai nai norok naimano on notification no nadi tabke ang nongno sanai the test fees for your category tahu exam fees nanya di ko general hingga 300 টাকা nangnai ar ST SC tai physical handicap ko 200 টাকা nangnai amongka fees ar pore hingga friends song osungno norok ani channel no naitong di subscribe khadi tebo TET ni syllabus ba bomtiki final pattern obo angnong ni thantu bitongnai jonong problem math handi Bengali grammar handi abruk sol khanyan bagai norok angnong ni thani tubi tongo je angnong no buskango kogrphano tubi tongnai hini kogrphano ang je advertisement nongkhaya ni bagai ang bodo jehetu obno bisasaya ni bagai no angbo asuk follow khaya tini nongkhore rekha obon bagai ang tongthoka ang exam runai noroi baksano norok jotono follow khaidi tai an channel nai tongni norok om haite bo sekang iko advertisement man musung hangke asung